sarap tulog ni Luffy. 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 Hi, Luffy. Good morning, Luffy. Good afternoon pala. Ayan si Luffy, oh. Ang sarap ng tulog. Tapos, ang ganda ng higaan niya, oh. Oh, Kodson. Luffy, look at me here. Luffy, look at me here. Ayaw talaga gumising ni Luffy yung suplado. Why you're very sad? Bakit malungkot ka? Ah? You hungry? Are you hungry? Ayan si Luffy. Shout out everyone. Happy blessed Thursday to all of you guys. Thank you to all my loyal supporters, subscribers, to all my sisikoys. Thank you to my youngest son, Chard. Thank you, anak. Ingat ka lagi dyan. Aking kapatid sa Kuwait City, Juliet and Vlog. Thank you, Sisikoy Agbiag Vlog at Konse. Sisikoy Nana, Honey YTC. Hindi ako nakadalaw sa'yo ngayon kasi busy. Sisikoy Lauren Director. Sisikoy Yami Pat TV. Sino pa ba yung dumalo? Sisikoy Mayetski Channel. Ayan, nagising na si Luffy, ah. Oh, bubuka-buka yung mata ni Luffy, ah. Ayan, bubuka-buka ang mata ni Luffy. Hello, Luffy. Hello. Ayan, sarap ng tulog niya. Hello, sige, matulog ka lang. Good night, Luffy. Good night. Hi, Luffy. Ayaw talagang gumalaw siya. Oh. Hi. Happy blessed Thursday, everyone. Shout out all of you guys. Kat Fitri Channel, Terry Makasi, Sister. Aling Baguio Blessed Day. Shout out dyan sa Baguio City. Sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa akin, shout out sa inyong lahat. Happy blessed Thursday to all of you guys. May God bless us all. Bye, Luffy. Bye.